everyone, it's me, Executioner Dan here. In just 3 days it's going to be the first anniversary since the first video was published on this channel. Even though I have been on YouTube a lot longer, at least about 3 years, doing the main channel Super All Sorts Broadcasting, and I started the gaming channel Super All Sorts Gaming in April 2020. Well, the video is going to be about mostly facts about me on the first anniversary video. So it's like about what's my name, what's my favourite colour and all that stuff, you know, so keep an eye for that. But right now I thought, well, I'd ask this question. Alexa, how do you say 102 eggs in Spanish?
102 eggs in Spanish is
102 huevos.
What does that sound like? Alexa, what's 102 eggs, 102 eggs, 102 eggs in Spanish?
102 eggs, 102 eggs, 102 eggs in Spanish is
102 huevos, 102 huevos, 102 huevos.
I'll be back soon with more stuff. Well, definitely I'll be back with that first anniversary video in just 3 days, and then of course I'll do some more stuff after that, but I've got more to concentrate more on my gaming channel, right? So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, of course, and hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, please leave a like. I'm going to go now, so see you and have a good day out there, and I'll leave it to this.
Adiós. Sí, y que tengas un buen día ahí fuera.